Today I'm going to show you how to block IP addresses in WordPress using one of the simplest built-in methods. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to prevent unwanted visitors, like spammers and persistent trolls, from flooding your site with unwanted comments. This method won't block people from viewing your site, but it gives you control over who can interact through comments in some forms. If you've ever dealt with spammy comments or inappropriate feedback, you'll definitely find this approach helpful for keeping your site's conversations clean and respectful. Okay, let's get started right inside your WordPress dashboard, which is really where all the magic happens for managing your site. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin area. Take a moment to get comfortable here, because almost every setting that affects your site's behavior starts from this dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left for the Settings tab. It's usually somewhere near the bottom of the sidebar, and you'll probably see a little gear icon next to it. Hover over that and then click on Discussion. This section focuses on how visitors can interact with your posts and pages. Think comments, feedback, and community engagement. That's exactly where we want to be to block troublesome IP addresses. Now, scroll down the Discussion Settings page until you spot the section labeled Disallowed Comment Keys, or sometimes Comment Block List. The wording can vary slightly depending on your WordPress version, but it's generally in the same spot. This feature is WordPress's built-in way to keep unwanted users from leaving comments, based on keywords, usernames, emails, or IP addresses. In our case, we're using it to block specific IP addresses. Here, S where you'll enter the IPs you want to block. If you have one persistent troublemaker or maybe a handful, simply type in each IP address, one per line. For example, if you want to block 192.168.1.1, just enter that on its own line. Got a second IP, hit return and type in the next one. You don't need any punctuation, extra spaces, or fancy formatting, just the raw IP numbers. If you're not sure how to find an offender's IP, check the comment details section in your dashboard. They're usually displayed right alongside each comment. Sometimes you might also get those IP addresses from your site's host or a security plugin. Once you've populated your list with the IPs you want to block, scroll to the bottom of the discussion page and click Save Changes. Don't worry if this takes a moment. WordPress is just updating its internal settings, and it'll take effect instantly for new comments. From now on, anyone trying to leave a comment from those IP addresses will be blocked automatically. It's a bit like gently closing the door to your party on anyone who's causing a scene without locking everyone out. Remember, though, blocking through discussion settings only stops them from commenting. It won't block them from viewing your site. For stricter access control, you need a security plugin or changes via your web host, but for basic comment spam, this works wonders. And that's all there is to it. Just a few clicks, and you've made your site's conversation spaces a little more protected. If you have a large or growing site, I recommend reviewing this list every month or so just to keep things fresh. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need a hand with trickier IP blocking methods. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips. See you next time.